Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to the fourth edition of the Commercial Dispute Conclave. This is Nikita Birmani, and with me is Ms. Shweta Bharati, Managing Partner at Hammurabi and Solomon Partners. Hi, ma'am, how are you?
Hi. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to speak at this event. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, firstly, I would like to know your experience at this conclave so far.
Excellent experience, great speakers, and the fact that we are doing it on a working day and you still have a house full is something which is very rare in events. So, which also talks about the credibility of ET, the credibility of the kind of events that you do, and of course the people who are involved in the process.
Thank you so much. Secondly, I would like to know that how can technology like ODR and AI make justice faster and more accessible?
I think ODR is as a concept is here to stay. When COVID came and we saw the online disputes, starting, and we also noticed that the courts shifted from the physical hearings to online hearings. So I think the mindset changed. That was the first step, I think, in the right direction. Now, if you look at a lot of those disputes, which are smaller disputes, which are consumer disputes, which are SEBI related disputes, and SEBI has its own online platform, so they have actually introduced ODR in such an efficient manner. And therefore, if we have this ODR mechanism for the disputes which are not very high value, which does not require too many evidences, are the ones which can be taken to ODR. Now, so far as the artificial intelligence is concerned, that again is a very futuristic introduction of technology, and AI has already started performing its role when it comes to international commercial arbitrations. Most international commercial arbitration institutions also have adopted to AI in a lot of manners. Both the law firms or the lawyers involved on both the sides have started using it for their document sorting, for primarily at the moment for documentation purposes, and also to be able to draft the initial part of the written submissions that they have to give. Of course, what the arbitrators have also started now doing is to use artificial intelligence and machine learning both for the purposes of using it for drafting of the award to a certain extent. The final conclusion at least comes from the arbitrators, but then the initial part of the dispute in terms of who said what and what has been argued by both the sides, what is there in the evidence, all of that is being done through artificial intelligence. And I think that is a huge progress in itself, because a lot of time that was invested by the arbitrators was on just doing this, and the tribunal secretaries also used to spend a lot of time just sorting these documents, getting the right arguments, understanding the core of the dispute issues, and then put it in the award. So I think all of that has now been taken care of by artificial intelligence. So this is definitely going to be the future of the dispute resolution for sure.
You've explained it very well. Thank you so much for your time, ma'am. And stay tuned for more such exciting updates and insights. Thank you.